Hello, good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to give some basics uh, tutorial on QGIS, how to use, and this was like and first of all, I would like to give some basic information and overview of the interface. First of all, I will show you. This is the interface. We will explore the QGIS user interface so that you are familiar with the menus, toolbars, map, canvas, and layer list that form the basic structure of the interface. There are 6 types of features you can see in user interface. First one is the layers list. In the layers list, you can see a list at any time of all the layers available to you. Expanding collapsed items by clicking the arrow or plus symbols beside them will provide you with more information on the layers menu here in this one. The browser panel. The QGIS browser is a panel in QGIS that lets you easily navigate in your database. You can have access to common vector files. Example is shapefile or map information file database. You can also view your grass data also in this browser panel. Move on to toolbars. Your most often used sets of tools can be turned into toolbars for basic access. For example, the file toolbar allows you to save, load, and print and start a new project. You can easily customize the interface to see only the tools you use most often and adding or removing toolbars as necessary via the view and toolbars. Next one is the map canvas. Here, this is the map canvas here. This is where the map itself is displayed and where layers are loaded. The map canvas, you can interact with the visible layers, zoom in, out, move the map, select features and may other operations that we will deeply see in the next section. Next, move to status bar. Here in status bar in fourth one, shows you in this one, in this status bar shows you the information about the current map. Also allows you to adjust the map scale, the map rotation, and see the most closest coordinates on the map. The fifth one, it is the side toolbar. By default, the side toolbar contains the buttons to load the layer and all the buttons to create a new layer. But remember that you can move all the toolbars wherever it is more comfortable for you. The sixth one is locator bar. This is within this bar you can access to almost all the objects of QGIS layers, layer features, algorithms, spatial bookmarks. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and we will in the next video we will continue with other section.